Hello everyone, in this video we shall learn about displacement and double displacement reactions. So let's begin with displacement reactions. Those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reactions. For example, when a piece of magnesium metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, magnesium sulfate solution and copper metal are formed. CuSO4 aqueous plus Mg solid gives MgSO4 aqueous plus Cu solid. See, in this reaction, magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. The blue color of copper sulfate solution fades due to the formation of colorless solution of magnesium sulfate. A red-brown deposit of copper metal is formed on the magnesium piece. Here, magnesium is able to displace copper from copper sulfate solution because magnesium is more reactive than copper. Let's see one more example. When copper oxide CuO is heated with magnesium powder Mg, then magnesium oxide MgO and copper Cu are formed. Copper oxide solid plus Mg solid gives MgO solid plus Cu solid. In this displacement reaction, a more reactive metal, magnesium, is displacing a less reactive metal, copper, from its oxide, that is, copper oxide. Now, let's study double displacement reactions. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. A double displacement reaction usually occurs in solutions and one of the products, being insoluble, precipitates out, that is, separates as solid. For example, when barium chloride solution is added to sodium sulfate solution, that is Na2SO4, a white precipitate of barium sulfate, BaSO4, is formed along with sodium chloride solution, NaCl. BaCl2 aqueous plus Na2SO4 aqueous gives BaSO4 solid plus twice NaCl aqueous. In this reaction, barium sulfate is formed as a white, insoluble solid called precipitate, which separates out suddenly from the solution. Note, any reaction in which an insoluble solid called precipitate is formed that separates from the solution is called precipitation reaction. The above reaction in which barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate to give white precipitate of barium sulfate along with sodium chloride solution is an example of precipitation reaction. Now we have a home task for you. In the refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement by copper metal. Write down the chemical equation of the reaction involved. So that's all from today's class. See you in the next class.